3 weeks ago, I became a grandmother for the fourth time. Yeah, not being a diva these days, I'm telling you. And secondly, tonight, my youngest daughter, Amanda, and her husband, Abner Ramirez, who are married, are playing the Roxy. So, it's kind of a tug, but, I'd much rather be here. There is someone very special to me in the audience, and I would just like to recognize that person, because without him I probably would not be here today, because, everybody needs a friend that pulls them out of dark places and gets them and rescues them when they need them. And there is a man that has been there from the very beginning of my career, and he is a mentor, and he's like a daddy, and he's an uncle and a brother, and he's most of all an incredible friend. And his name is Norman Brokaw, and some of you might know him. And I just want to say that I dedicate this next song to you, because I think the way you love your family and the way you love your friends has taught me great lessons. Nature Boy.
I've told this story before, and I won't tell it tonight, but I would just say this. How many of you women out there would know the man of your dreams if you saw him? recognized that he was a fine fellow. And I did what a red-blooded American girl would do, and I gave him the hoochie-coos, and he came back, and like Joe Green, of course, to rescue me. Because I was stranded that day without my limousine. Oh, yes, it was tragic. But out of bad came good. We began to date, and it wasn't very long before we decided to cohabitate. I don't usually do that with men, but... Then one day I was in my, what's that thing? At my vanity. And I was putting on my makeup. When in he walks and he tells me he's lost his job, his car, and all of his money. I was trying to be empathetic. But I remember these words of my mother, and she said, Donna, if he's got to come to you for money, that's not good. She said, you must say, my dear, enough is enough. Oh.